shown the cover before I even wrote the book. Wow. Yeah, when I signed the contract, I kind of told them where I was going to go with the book, and they got a new art director who sent me November 9, and I loved the cover of November 9. He got it on the first shot. I didn't request any changes, and it happened to get with this one. And so I actually developed a lot of the storyline around the cover of the book. Like her profession in the book, I didn't know that was what she was going to do, and it just kind of gave me a little bit of inspiration. I loved the cover so much that that came first. And I know her name is Lily, but I didn't really think Orchid was a pretty name.
So you say there's 4 people you hope to never meet in your life. We know one of them if you first book. Who are the other 3?
Well, Ellen, of course, Harry Connick Jr. and the Ava brothers. I just feel like they're all on such a high pedestal for me that if I met them in person, it would knock them off that pedestal. Like, they would be human to me, and I don't really want that. Like, they're probably verb or something. Right now, I feel like they're kind of gods, so I just leave it that way. But I wouldn't mind meeting Justin Trudeau. You would just agree with Justin. She asked if there's any news about the Ugly Love movie. I haven't heard from them in about a month. The last time I spoke with them, they had found their actress. They were just trying to coordinate the contracts and the schedule to start filming. Apparently that's the hardest part, is to get everyone involved on the same filming schedule. But I don't really have any control over that, So I just kind of find out stuff when you guys do, unfortunately. No, and I don't even know if it was really writer's block. I just have been so ready for this book to come out, and my heart and my mind has been with this book that I can't move on to anything else. But now that it's released, I'm excited to go back home because I want to start on something else. But I do want to do something a little more light, so I think I'm going to go for YA this time. So that'll be different, but I'm excited. Who is your favorite author? I don't really have a favorite author. Tara would be my least favorite. She is great. Like, I hate to admit that, but I love her books. But I look up a lot to E.L. James, not because of her books necessarily. I hope she doesn't kill me, but I've only read one of them. But just her as a person and how she's handled her success and how she helps other authors in this industry, and she is a very positive person, a very helpful person. So I look up to her for that, not so much, just as a role model. Over here, that question?
I noticed this one recent interview with the book. Are you planning to do like a funny how?
That's never really up to me. It's up to the publishers in that country, whether they want the book or not. I have sold rights to several countries. I've been on the road for a week and a half, so I don't know what languages it's coming out in and when. Hopefully, the release this week has been one of my best so far, so I feel like it'll probably have more chance of being translated than any other.
Yes. If you were ever on Big Brother, what kind of player would you be?
What kind of what?
What kind of player?
Oh, I would lie. I don't understand these players that get on there and they have these great secrets and then they tell someone. Are you an idiot? I think me and Taryn should get on that show. Yeah. Did you know that I got to go to the Big Brother Pinoy house and interview? That was awesome. Y'all tell me things. I haven't watched it in 2 weeks, so I'm way behind. But I'm Team James. Hopefully he's still on. Anyone else? Yes.
What's your writing process like? Do you outline or do you just go with the first draft?
I don't have a process. I'm the most disorganized person you'll ever meet. Every book is different. I have no schedule. If I'm in the mood to write, I write. If I'm not, then I watch TV. That's the most important thing for me that works for me, is not forcing myself to write or producing so many words a month. I just let it flow when it wants to flow. Yes.
Were there times when those that you did
first book I've written that actually comes a little bit from my own life. So I think that's why it was so hard. Y'all, I mean, those that know me know that I'm a very unemotional person. I'm not a romantic person, but for some reason I write these romance books that really have emotions. And I think it's because I don't know when to stop. Like, because it takes a lot for me to feel emotional, and so I just keep pushing my boundaries with these books. And with this one, oh my God, I cried the whole time I wrote it, I swear. And I think it was because it was personal to me. And I've been crying all week since the book release, getting all these emails and everything, you know, and I feel like such a titty baby. Seriously, like, I've always been so proud of myself. Like, I'm tough, I don't cry, but not anymore.
Very powerful and amazing voice. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes. How do I choose the narrators for the books? I don't. Simon Schuster does that. Usually I get a choice, like they'll send me like 2 people that I get to choose from, but this time they didn't. And so right before the book came out, I was like, is there an audiobook? Like, who did it? Can I hear it? And they never responded. So I was like, what's going on? Why haven't they told me anything? So I downloaded it like the day that it released, and I really like her. I didn't get to choose her, but I thought she did a really great job. She asked where I came up with the unique names for my characters. The reason why I choose unique names is because in this book world, you kind of want your names to stand out because, you know, the readers talk about the book boyfriends online, and you don't want like 2 book boyfriends with the same name. So it gets harder with every book to come up with names that authors haven't used before. So I've been stealing them from my sister's in-laws. These are really cool names. Like her sister-in-law's name is Tate, which is where I got Tate. It's not really where I got Tate Brightly Love. I got that out after the acronym for the Airborne Toxic Event because they're one of my favorite bands. But it ended up being her name. And then her dad's name is Collins, and that ended up being her last name, and I just realized that. But then my sister's brother-in-law just had a baby and named him Brogan Atlas, and I was like, Atlas is such a cute name, I'm using that. And so, I need to stop. But all the names in It Ends With Us kind of are synonyms to things, and I can't really go into that right now because it'll spoil stuff, but after you finish reading it, you should join the Facebook group, the discussion group for the book, because I post a lot in there, like behind the scenes stuff about the book. It happens. People like spoilers. I mean, I'm not going to hate on them because I read the last page of almost every book that I read. Thank you. It's a sickness. I can't stop. And then, like, if I don't and I'm halfway through and, like, something's, like, really bothering me and I have to know, like, I'll skip ahead and find out. But then when I think of people doing that to my books, I'm like, no, don't do that. So I'm a hypocrite and a liar. That's 2 things going on.
So how do you come up with the death character?
I was in a reader group and they were talking about book boyfriends, and they were talking about how they couldn't like a book boyfriend, or someone had read something where a side character was deaf, and they were like, well, you know, I don't think that I would like that in a main character. And it really offended me, and so I was like, you know what, I'm going to show you that they're really different, and I wanted the reader to fall in love with him as a human before they found out that he was deaf. And so that's how that book came along, and I liked it. I'm not going to answer that because it's kind of a spoiler. Okay. But you can definitely email me. Have you been in the Facebook discussion groups? I talk a lot about my feelings for all the characters. Yeah. She asked about doing another book on Wattpad. If y'all don't know, when I was on my European tour, I wrote a book on my tour. It's called Too Late, and it's a book. It's for free. I put it on Wattpad. It hasn't been edited, so don't judge me. But it was one of the funnest processes I've had. Like, it was really fun just doing a chapter at a time and then seeing the reader's feedback, like, as I was writing it. But unfortunately, I don't make any money off that when I write things for free, and I have to pay my bills. So I'm probably going to write a couple of books that I will be part of my contract as well. But it was fun.
I do have these complaints that we share Twitter speak and we love.
I do know, but I can't tell you. I think everyone would be really happy, but I'm just not telling anyone because until I see the contracts and until I know for certain that it's going to happen, then I don't feel comfortable putting that name out there. You can tell them. Yeah, it's her. She asked about ever write a follow-up to the Slam series. I never say never. I just kind of write what I'm in the mood to write. So I won't say no, but I'm also not going to say yes. Because I hate to commit myself to something, and then if I lose that spark for it while I'm writing it, then I feel like it becomes a job, and I have to put it out because I said I was going to write it. So, I don't know. I mean, it's not something that, it's something that sounds fun. Like, I wouldn't mind doing it. It just depends on how it would fit into my schedule. Yeah. That's a tough one. I can't really go into why. I don't know if I will, but I've talked about it a lot in our discussions. Yes. What is it like to be an author? It's the funnest thing in the world. I love my job. It doesn't feel like a job. It feels like I get to do fun stuff all day long, all the time. Except when I have to fly a lot. I'm taking like 12 flights this week, and I'm still not used to flying, so that's a struggle. Like if I could take a train or a car to everywhere, I would. Levi says he's never going on tour with me. He's been a trooper. He hasn't complained at all, but that's a lot of traveling in a week and a half. Like we're up at 6 every day, not even back to the hotel room till midnight at night. There's a different hotel room every day. We literally live out of suitcases. We don't even have time to unpack. So it's tough. I think he thought he was going to be like, oh, I can go with mom on vacation. But it's work. It's work. Do I ever think I'm going to expand the book?
Okay, he's still listening on the devices.
Yeah. I put in charge of that, since I started it last year. And writing comes first for me. Like that's my job, and then that's kind of on the back burner, and I work on it when I can. And unfortunately, like I don't have any more time to put into it. So 3 weeks ago, I hired someone to take over a lot of what I do, and she's done more in 3 weeks than I've done in a year. And so I have a lot of faith that it's going to grow and good things are going to come this year. So far, we've donated $550,000 since we started it last year. All right, you want to do a couple more? Anyone over here? See that date out of my books? It's really weird because when I write my books, like I look at them as my kids. Kind of like I'm the mother figure who's writing these stories. It's really hard for me to write certain scenes, and so I don't look at the guys in my books like, hey back there, Shelley. I don't look at the guys in my books like book boyfriends like y'all do, until I'm gonna write suggested pseudo fan fiction. Oh, I love that man. He's the Prime Minister of Canada. Don't know. Who's your favorite? Miles? Anyone else? Yes. Which one is my favorite? That's a hard question. It's like which one of my children is my favorite? It changes every day. My favorite to write was Slam, only because I didn't know anyone was going to read it. It was just, a completely fun process with no pressure. So that one was a whole lot of fun. And then it kind of started getting a little bit stressful after that, knowing people were going to read it. But probably my favorite so far is It Ends With Us. Just because it means a lot to me. One more. Yes.
Are you a coffee or a coffee?
I hate coffee and tea. I don't like either. I'm a Diet Pepsi person. I haven't had a Diet Pepsi in days. Y'all, I'm just feeding like caffeine, and so I told my husband when we got here, I was like, let's go somewhere and get a diet soda. And right before we came here, we went and ate like a super late lunch, and I ordered a diet soda, and they said, oh, we're out. And literally I go, and I just stared at him like, this is a joke. And then my kids laughed at me because they knew how bad I needed one. And I just thought the waiter must have looked at me like I was a ridiculous diva. But I wanted to explain to him, like, you don't understand that I needed one. But anyway, I got one when we got back to the hotel. This is weird, but have y'all ever heard of Fred water? Oh my God, I love that stuff. They had it in California, and it's just water. It doesn't taste any different than regular water, but it's in like this glass bottle. And I'm gonna order some off Amazon.
They have it in HEBs.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh, I need to go get cases of that stuff. I love it. Oh my God! Anyone else have a dying question they want to get out before we get started? No? If y'all have, do you have a question? If y'all have questions about It Ends With Us, y'all want to ask me while I'm citing your books, feel free. I just didn't want to ruin it for anyone else. So, thank y'all so